Are you on the fence about getting the Fanatic Mega paint set? And do you also have a bunch of unpainted Space Marines? This is the video for you. With the release of Space Marine 2, the video game, I wanted to paint a Space Marine and show you guys what you can really do with the Fanatic Mega set, or the Triads if you want to add a little bit more depth to your miniatures. In this video, we're going to paint this Assault Intercessor as a Dark Angel, the first Legion of the Space Marines. We're starting out with matte black through the airbrush. You can also use a rattle can for the same effect. This step serves two purposes. One, it adds a base coat layer for us to build other layers on top of, and two, it adds a nice dark black color to the recesses. Make sure to cover the entirety of the plastic of the miniature with this color, and then we'll move on to the next step here shortly. Now we'll add the dark green layer serving as the entire color for the armor on our Space Marine. All of the standard infantry for the Dark Angels use this dark green color for their power armor. We're using Angel Green from the Fanatic Mega set for this. Army Painter's Angel Green from their Fanatic set, their Air set, and the Rattle Can are all a 1-to-1 color match, so you can use either of these paints when doing this step. You can do this step with either an airbrush, a rattle can, or a paintbrush. Really just depends on what you have available to you. I'm using an airbrush because it helps save that black layer underneath. Next up, we're using Wyvern Fury for all of the weapon casings and the lenses on the helmet. Make sure to add 2 thin coats of this color so you get a nice even coverage across the entire weapon casing. We'll also be using a wash on this step later on to darken it down a little bit, just in case it doesn't look exactly like the box art. A little bit more about the Dark Angels. They are a first founding Space Marine chapter, which means they were one of the original Space Marine chapters. Their Primarch is Lionel Johnson. He has an incredible model in 30K and in 40K. In 40K, he is a really tough melee fighter, and he's really great at leading his troops from the front. And the chapter likes to use a combined forces strategy, so they like to use a lot of Terminators, a lot of regular Intercessor Marines, and Ravenwing bikes. After using Oak Brown on the gun holster and the belt, we're going to switch over to matte black once again and just cover up any overspray that we had with Angel Green. Now we're going to use Ancient Stone and Desert Yellow at about a 1-to-1 ratio for the Aquila on the chest. We'll also use this to paint half of the left knee pad because this Marine is going to be part of the 7th Company, which is primarily Assault Intercessors. Forgot to do it in this step, but you can also use Ancient Stone to paint the paper part of the Purity Seal on his lower leg. Now that all those base coats are done, we're going to move on to the washes from the Fanatic Mega set. Starting off with Dark Tone, we're going to use this on all of the areas that we just painted except for the Aquila on the chest and the Purity Seal on his leg. You'll also want to avoid getting any of this on the armor because the black base coat and the Angel Green over top of it served that purpose of making those a bit darker in certain areas and brighter in others. This step is mainly just for adding some grit and depth to the weapons, the eyes, and the belt as well. Now for all the light beige and the bone tones, we're going to use strong skin shade over those for the wash. Now we'll move on to the highlighting stage. If you're using the Fanatic Mega set that we showed at the beginning of the video, you have all the tools necessary to highlight every part of your Dark Angel Space Marine, as well as plenty of the other chapters. We're going for a standard edge highlight over all of the areas that we've already painted, so I use Pure Red over the weapon casings and Dryad Brown on the brown areas that we did with Oak Brown. Now this color is not included in the Fanatic Mega set, but if you want to just stick to the Fanatic Mega set, you can use Fur Brown instead. If not, you can pick this color up through the brown triads available on our website. To brighten up the Aquila on his chest, we're just going to use Ancient Stone with no mixture to it, and this will give us a nice difference between the base coat that we layered down with the mix between Desert Yellow and Ancient Stone. You want to thin this color down just a little bit more than the other ones because it is a bit brighter, and lighter colors tend to be a little bit chalkier, so if you want to avoid that, just thin it down and do extra layers. Now we'll highlight our metallics using plate mail metal on all of the silver areas. Plate mail metal is a great staple for all of your silver metallics. It's a good medium silver. You can use it as a base coat and wash it down, or it works great as a highlight. Now we're going to use matte black once again on the purity seal. We're going to make this look like it's scripture going across the purity seal. Just do a couple thin squiggles, use a very small thin brush to do this. For the final edge highlighting step, we're going to switch over to green skin, also included in the Fanatic Mega Set, and we're going to use this to panel line all of the armor on the Space Marine. This part can be a little bit intimidating to do. You don't really want to ruin the color of that armor, but just make sure you have a nice mix of angel green and matte black on your palette if you need to clean up any mistakes. And as you can see, the Fanatic Mega Set really has all the tools that you need to paint your Space Marines in really any chapter that you would like to. I went with Dark Angels because they are my personal favorite Space Marine chapter. After varnishing the miniature and finishing up the base, the Dark Angel is ready for the battlefield. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are enjoying the video game Space Marine 2. It's a lot of fun. You can really customize your Marines in that game. And if you're interested in tackling your backlog and painting up some Space Marines, check out the Fanatic Mega Set below using our Linktree. We'll see you in the next video.